Today I wanted to give you guys a little rundown on this guy. It's the Lookah Snail Wax Kit. You get 4 quartz coils, a mouthpiece, and your Lookah Snail battery. With this, you could do anything from your waxes, your shatters, and even use it as a cart battery alone. So your battery consists of just the snail, which is this little guy here. And you press the button right here 5 times to turn it on. And once it turns on, it'll flash at you. And if you press it twice, it goes through the temperature settings. Each setting gets a little hotter, blue being the coldest, and it goes up from there on each one. If you click it 3 times once you have a cartridge or your coils hooked on it, it'll do a 20-second preheat mode. These things are perfect for just on the go. They're kind of discreet little guys. You could throw them in your pockets, not going to hurt nothing. And they're quick and easy to charge. Just a little, you plug in on the bottom, you plug it into your laptop, your computer, your TV, anything that has a USB, they'll do a slow charge. It's going to be perfect for these little guys. Stop on in to any of our shops and check these out.